My name is Bucky Crystal, president of Rockett Incorporated. Rockett is a contract metal fabrication and manufacturing business. Started in 1897, and we do mostly industrial work for electrical power industry and other niche industries. Welding is very central to what we do. Much, or if not most, of the work we do has some welding aspect to it, and a lot of the things we do are considered oil tight, and therefore the welds have to be leak proof and very sound.
If you're good with your hands, it's a good job for it, you know. And if you just like building things, you know, building projects or anything like that, you'll definitely love this type of job.
I knew I could make a lot of money doing it, and I'm just saying it's just a craft that once you get the feel of it, that's what you want to do.
Well, I got, pretty flexible hours. I enjoy the work I do out here. Welding is something I've been doing probably for about 25 plus years, and I've always enjoyed it. It's a sense of satisfaction to be able to put something together and see a product at the end of it. The field's wide open for people to come in. We're always asking for folks to come in. It's pretty easy to get in, and if you can prove yourself out, good to go.
Getting kids at the earliest ages exposed to vocational fields, and it helps with it, math and engineering and all those things, and just exposure to making things, and then possibly have curriculums around that. It's good hard work. You can make good money starting out, and actually, as the more experience you get, your pay can really go up significantly. And it's a trade, it's a skill. No matter what you're doing, if you've learned a skill, you'll always have that knowledge with you, and you can apply it as needed.